Hey there, I'm John, a solar professional with 15 years in the solar industry. I aid and advise folks who are thinking about going solar, helping them understand solar technology, and making sure they make wise financial choices. Today, we'll be talking about solar in New Jersey. So stick around as I'm going to break down the different solar incentives available when you buy a solar system with either a loan or buying pack or by being or by paying cash. Or perhaps you are looking for the no maintenance, no out of pocket solar lease or PPA. Depending on whatever you're looking for, I'll cover everything: how much each option costs, how they stack up against each other, and more importantly, how much money can they save you as of today, is September of 2024. I'm going to show you actual savings when you buy a solar system by paying cash, taking a loan, or using a solar lease or PPA. Finally, I'll compare the three options: the solar lease or the PPA versus taking a loan or versus buying solar as a cash purchase. And this will help you decide which solar product is really right for you. Let's kick things off by talking about the solar lease or the power purchase agreement or PPA. And we're talking about New Jersey in this video. Now, both options are basically the same deal. If you're looking for the easiest way to go solar, then this is it. Think of it as switching your cable provider. Instead of paying your current electric company like PSE&G, JCPL, or ACE, you'll switch to a solar provider like Sonova or Sunrun. Now, the whole point of switching is to cut down your monthly electric bill. Right now, most electric companies in New Jersey are charging anywhere between 18 to 23 cents per kilowatt hour of energy. With a good solar lease, you could lower the rate to somewhere between 10 to 13 cents per kilowatt hours. That's usually with a small 2.9% annual increase. Or you could lock it into a fixed lease that'll be between 12 to 15 cents per kilowatt hours. That's the one I like a little more. Now, homes that get a lot of sun and don't have much shade, they get the best solar rates. If you own a single family home or a townhome that allows solar on the roof, then the switch to solar could be a great way to start saving and looking at energy independence. Let's look at how much a solar lease can save you. A home with an average electric bill of around $150 a month will be able to reduce their electric bill after going solar to about 90 or so a month. It may not look big, but that's $720 saved in the first year itself. And the savings slowly increase. If you look at savings in about 10 years, you'd be ahead by $9,287, $16,102 in 15 years, and a whopping $36,100 in 25 years. The savings really stretch out. Reach out to me if you'd really like to know how much you can save with solar lease. All I need is a recent electric bill. The math that I've shown you here is taking normal inflation into account, and it's also taking how much your solar panels are producing over time. Next, let's look at buying solar with a loan or paying cash in Jersey. And that's when the incentives kick in. With the lease, you get no incentives. You just get a low solar electric rate and a electric monthly bill, but no incentives. The two incentives you have when you buy a solar system are the federal tax credit and the state incentive called Solar Renewable Energy Credits, or SRECs. In Jersey, they're now known as SUSI, so they've got different names, but SREC is the name they're known by as the Jersey State Program. Now, the federal government gives you a tax break of 30% of the cost of your system. You get that as a tax credit. It basically reduces your federal income taxes payable by 30% of the value of the cost of your system. Now, this is available at all income levels. The only criteria is you need to be paying or owing federal income taxes to get this credit. If you don't pay federal income taxes, then this credit is not available to you. Anybody who pays taxes can take a 30% discount on their solar system. The SREC or SUSI program in New Jersey, and this is available in many other states, it comes to solar system owners based on the energy production of their solar systems. This money is deposited directly into the homeowner's bank accounts. And this is in addition to any of your savings that you see on your electric bill. Now, after going solar, you're going to see a low electric bill from the utility company, $5 to $6 a month. And on top of that, the state will deposit money into your account. So let's look at the numbers for a cash and loan purchase. Let's start with cash. Now, the cash price of a system to cover $150 would be around $18,900. In the first year, you'd get back the 30% tax credit. That's $5,670. You'll save an additional $2,489 from electric bills that you avoided and the money that you get deposited into your bank account through the state SREC program. So therefore, in the first year, your net out of pocket would be $18,900 minus the $5,670 tax credit and the $2,489 that you saved from electric bills and SRECs, leaving you $16,411 out of pocket. Now you will continue to save on electric bills and make money from SRECs in the following years. And by the 7th year, these savings would have recovered your initial investment back. You will be at zero at the end of the 7th year, and after that, you continue to make money. By the end of the 10th year, your system would have earned you $9,446 from the system. It climbs up to $27,121 by year 15 and a whopping $72,288 by year 25. So solar with a cash purchase looks awesome if you're going to stay in your home. Let's look at a loan right now. A loan payment for a system this size would be about $124 a month. You would receive SREC payments into your bank accounts of around $57 a month, and you would save about $150 a month on your electric bills. Your first year savings would be around $1,001. In 10 years, $13,466, and by year 15, you would have saved $23,701. By the time it's 25 years, that saving jumps to $47,741. So the loan options in New Jersey are very attractive as well. Finally, let's compare all the three options for solar in New Jersey. Now, this is for a system that offsets a $150 electric bill. If your time horizon is 10 years, then the best solar investment would be the loan, because with that you save the most, about $13,466. Over longer time horizons, cash is king, saving you $27,121 over 15 years and a whopping $72,288 over 25 years. Now, the lease in New Jersey is no slouch either. Remember, the lease option is without any obligation. The system is taken care of by the solar company. You have no out of pocket. There is no loan against your name. No worries about maintaining the solar system. The savings are substantial. They keep adding up, growing from $9,287 to $36,100 over 25 years. Folks in New Jersey who are living in single-family homes should really be going solar now. Stop paying rent to your electric companies. Go get your own solar generation equipment and save big. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.